Hey everyone, Curtis with Build a Jeep. I have my 2000 Subaru Outback wagon, or Outback Legacy. It has the EJ25 in it, the 4-cylinder, single overhead cam. We have blown head gaskets, and we're going to be pulling the motor and doing a fresh rebuild. So stay tuned. Alright, and here's the motor out. Took me, I don't know, probably about 2 hours by myself. Unplug everything, exhaust manifolds, motor mounts. I tried doing the least amount as possible to make it so that there's less stuff to mess up. As you can tell, there's all the oil. That's all from the head gaskets, not the valve covers. When I first got the car, I did the valve cover gaskets, timing, water pump, all that stuff, because when I bought it, it was not running and it was just the timing. But while I was in there, I went ahead and did everything. So you can see it's got those new little seals, grommets, whatever you want to call them. I had to stop recording last night, but this is the motor out, as you can tell. It was leaking just a little bit. Kicked up in pretty good. Here's the motor itself. You can see right in here where the head joins to the block. That's where it's leaking. On these motors, when the head gaskets go, it's almost like they start out almost like a valve cover gasket. It's bad. Just starts leaking oil, then after a while it starts leaking coolant. So this one was just leaking oil for a while, just recently started leaking coolant, and that's why we're doing this. Alright, stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be the little teardown.